Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with 12-13 Prime Hockey Box Break number 75. Last team, like always, Jets, ended September 21st, 2013. Serial number 1909 78 200. See, number on the box. It's a little hard to see, but 1909 78. It's 200. I'll cut off the plastic so I can show you the number. $78 $200. Okay, let's bust it. Good luck to everyone. Prime ties would be nice. Okay, prime pack first. So we got a short print base. So we got Jeff Skinner base, numbered 6 out of 10 for the Hurricanes. Nice. Got a quad patch out of 25. Jaden Schwartz and Jake Allen for the St. Louis Blues. Very nice swatches. Got a quad jersey of Jonathan Toews, Patrick Marleau, Chris Pronger, and Roberto Luongo out of 50. So that will be random between the Hawks, the Sharks, the Flyers, and the Canucks. Got a prime namesakes letter patch auto at 75 of Vinny Lecavalier for the Lightning. And UC Renus quad jersey auto rookie at 249 for the Leafs. Okay, Dominion pack. This one feels pretty thin. Another redemption. So we got Mark Scheifele base at a 125 for the Jets. And let's do a slow roll. Auto patch. Auto patch redemption. Claude Giroux for the Philadelphia Flyers. Okay, let's do the random for the quad jersey. So we see that's between the Blackhawks, the Sharks, the Flyers, and the Canucks. Okay, once, twice, once more. Good luck to you all. Goes to the Blackhawks. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.